So hello guys, I am Shorodip Biswas. So today I am going to do an unboxing of the Crompton Baker's Brown Jura Anti-Dust. So today I am little bit shocked because in the previous months the Jura was normal, not the anti-dust, but now the Crompton has branded it as anti-dust. But the price is almost same. There is no such a big difference. Means um, the normal Jura and this Jura anti-dust have no such price difference. I think this is a good benefit for the customers, Jura customers, who previously Jura was non-anti-dust, but now it became anti-dust. That's a great benefit. So let's unbox the fan. So let me show you the label. So the MRP is 2920 and the sweep is 1400 millimeters or 56 inch, and the manufactured month year is 1/2020, that is January. And as you can see, this is manufactured by Crompton Grips, Bethora, Goa, as you can see. So this is the manufacturing address. So it's very nice to see a Goa product or a Solan product, whatever, because I prefer the Goa because it was the old Crompton factory, but nothing with the quality. So let's unbox the fan. But let me show you the another side of package. This is the same design as that of the Aura or the Avancer. Now you are getting with the Jura. And regarding this side, as you can see, this photo is looking like Super Bridge Deco. As you can see, the Super Bridge Deco also have this kind of photo, but this is now with Jura and this is anti-dust. So let's see what's anti-dust. So let's open the fan. So as you are seeing here, this is the motor. So this is the anti-dust logo. As you can see, the 56-inch fan always have the green color logo, the sticker, and the 48-inch have a black sticker, and the 42 and 36 have a red sticker. So and the 24-inch have a yellow sticker, means this color of the sticker, background color, this as you can see here. So this is equipped with a box capacitor, and this is the value of this is 2.25 as I saw just now. So let's install the fan. And one thing to show you is that this bolt, this motor bolt, the size is little bit reduced, like my previous video you saw in my Avancer. So nothing worries with that. So just that was, I think, M8 bolt and this is M7 bolt. So nothing such a difference. The fan will not fall because this M7 bolt is also capable for at least withstanding 3 fans at a time, means, as you know. So as you can see, this shaft hole is also small, as you can see. So no issues regarding that. So let's install the fan. So as you can see, the tools mentioned here are one tester obviously, one 12-13 millimeter spanner, one 12-13 millimeter ring spanner as you can see, and one 10-11 millimeter spanner. So obviously we will require a plier also, and obviously a double-sided screwdriver as you can see. So let's install the fan, and so as you can see here, let's install the fan. So one thing to mention is that these bolts are M7 bolts, so the 13 mil is useless for this operation. So as you can see, it's too big. So you need a 10-11 ring spanner and a 10-11 spanner, because nowadays Crompton's all the bolts, as you can see in the shackle or in the motor bolt, all are 10-11. All are means you can assemble it with 10-11 only. No need for these. So or you may say let me show the ceiling of this room. So as you can see, this is my Avancer and that's my Aura anti-dust. So that is a dusky brown Aura and this is a indigo blue Avancer. So the two fans are fitted in a single room, but the center distance of the fan is too close. So I'm just using the fan one at a time. So but I'm not giving you a comparison, but just showing you the fans, and later I will shift this fan little bit that side and this fan little bit this side, so that the center distance increases. So whatever might be, I'm just showing you, and for the comparison, my self comparison purpose, I have fixed the two fans here, and I will give you a comparison in my second channel. So whatever might be, I will put a second channel link in my description. Just go and check it. So let's install the 56 Jura. Also one thing guys, don't forget to check the anti-dust video of Electro DIY. I'm mentioning it in the I button and also in the video description. The video where I just describe how the anti-dust technology works. So both are anti-dust, and the Jura 56 has been also added in this list. So check that video please in the description. So as you can see, this is the Jura 56. Now let's start the fan. So the speed is exactly like the Crompton Grip's high speed 56 inch, but the airflow is pretty nice. Means it's slightly greater than that of the Crompton Grip's high speed. Means in this 56 segment, or obviously because the blades are wider in the ends. So but I have a Crompton box logo 56. This fan, that's why this fan obviously will have a greater airflow, because the box logo fans, all the Crompton box logo, have a slightly lesser blade angle. I don't know why, but the Crompton logo are more improved, have a good blade angle, and the airflow is also pretty decent. So this is the fan. So as you can see the fan, this fan is pretty good. So if you want a big fan like this, you can go for it. No issues regarding that. And the airflow is, means this fan is very good for a hall space or a big dining room or something like that. But I will never recommend 56 inch fan for a bedroom application, because in bedroom application you need instant comfort. So the instant comfort will be provided by only 48 inch fans. So this is the Jura 56 anti-dust. So there are also Jura 48 inch anti-dust and the Crompton high speed, the I'm not consulting about a daycare, as you can see in my ceiling. So because that means that fan is best for the hall rooms only, like the 56 inch fans. But if you are a slow airflow lover, then the daycare is a pretty good choice for you. But if you are a fast airflow lover, then you may go for this Crompton high speed fans. Means that is my Air 360 only, but I'm the Crompton high speed, the Jura, the Aura, the Avancer. But in case of the speed, the Crompton high speed is the fastest 48 inch fan available in the market, and after that the Crompton Aura of the Jura arrives, and after that the Crompton Avancer arrives, and at last it arrives the J-Care. So whatever might be, obviously a Crompton product will be a good choice for your electrical appliances, and this fan have a 2-year warranty, everybody know that. So no issues regarding that. So guys, if you like my video, then press the like button, and don't forget to comment down in the comment section regarding the review of this fan, and if you liked it or not, and check the video description for more details of this fan, and don't forget to subscribe my channel for more videos regarding this kind of fans and accessories. So thank you guys for watching.